In today's video, I'm going to teach you Open Google Chat and walk you through how to use Home, direct messages, spaces, and apps so you can communicate quickly and stay organized. Start by opening Google Chat on your computer or mobile device. Once it launches, you'll notice the main areas that keep everything organized: Home, direct messages, spaces, and apps. Think of these as your navigation hubs. Each one helps you find the right conversation at the right time without digging around. Home is your central dashboard. It neatly gathers your recent conversations and highlights anything you haven't seen yet. If you've been away for a while, this is the best place to get caught up fast. You'll see which chats are active, which ones have new activity, and you can jump in with a single click. Keep an eye out for the Unread label. It's your quick indicator that something needs your attention. When you want a one-on-one conversation, head to Direct Messages. Click a person's name to start or continue a chat. This opens your private message thread with that contact, showing your past messages so you always have context. To send a message, type in the message box at the bottom and press Enter to send. Keep your messages clear and concise, and you'll move through conversations efficiently. For teamwork or group discussions, switch to Spaces. Spaces are group chats, where multiple people can coordinate in one place. Click a space, such as one named Best Team or Group Project, to jump into the shared conversation. This is a great way to keep all updates, decisions, and reminders together, so everyone stays aligned, without separate emails or side threads. Anytime you need to confirm what's new, check for unread indicators. You'll see unread next to chats or spaces with messages you haven't opened yet. Use that as your guide to prioritize what you read first. Once you view the conversation, that label will clear, helping you track what's left. Finally, explore apps. These are tools like Trello, Lunchbot, or ReminderBot that send updates directly inside chat. They appear just like conversations, so you can see notifications, reminders, or project changes without switching tabs. It's an easy way to keep your tasks and updates centralized. That's it. Open Google Chat, use Home to scan what's new, jump into direct messages for one-on-one conversations, collaborate in spaces for group work, send messages with a quick enter, check unread to stay current, and let apps bring important updates to you.